tired of healing the sunburned skin problems, whether it's presents, acne, annoying blackheads, excess oil, or red irritated skin? Now there is a way to tackle these problems. That's Dr. Pimple Gel. For acne, it penetrates deep to fight bacteria at the source, helping reduce breakouts and prevent new ones from forming. Struggling with blackheads, this gel works to unlock the pores. It's dermatologically tested, CSIR NICE certified. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and absorb quickly, making it perfect for both day and night use. No residue, clean, effective care. Dr. Pimple Gel does not just treat the surface; it addresses the root cause of skin issues. Say goodbye to sunburned skin problems and hello to new level of confidence with Dr. Pimple Gel. So try it for yourself today.